Tryna get to you, girl, like what it do, girl. You looking cool, girl, come and be my new girl. Yes, I got a few girls, but I want you, girl. You could be my boo, girl, come and be my boo, girl. Scoop you in a cool, girl, what you tryna do, girl?
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Yes. If you're new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from that title, I'm gonna do a quick video. I'm gonna do a side part for you guys. So y'all, let me show y'all everything that I'm gonna be using before we continue on with this video. So first, I got me this wig cap, y'all. Got from the beauty supply store. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this glue as well. I got this 24-hour edge tamer. This is my favorite like edge control of all time because it just like slicks my hair really good. And I got some oil because you know you want to protect your hair up underneath, you know, up underneath the cap. You want to protect your hair, so I got these type of oils. Don't know which one I'm gonna use, but I know I'm gonna put some in my hair. This pump it up spritz that I purchased. I got a clip just to clip, move my hair out of the way. Y'all know, clip it up. Some scissors to cut the trash. Got a bonnet. And then the hair. Today I'm going to be using this purple pack, this premium purple pack by Outre. I got it in the color T1B30, which is like a brown color. It's I got the ombre, so it's black at the top, and then at the bottom it's, you know, the brown color. So I got a 16 inch, and I also have an 18 inch. This is the 16 inch, but I just want to show y'all like the color and like the texture and everything. And yeah, y'all, this hair wasn't too pricey at all. Like, I literally paid like, I'm gonna say like almost $100 for 2 packs. So that's not bad at all. The color is giving. So yeah, y'all, right now I'm finna just do my leave out. Like, Leak, am I bothering you?
Yeah. How can you talk about me like I'm strange? Telling your friends like I'm done in this game. Whoa. I like what you think of me. Don't feed me that sympathy. Ask me in my heart been. I'll tell you it's dead to me. I bought you wedding rings. Told my family you every.
Okay, y'all, so this is my leave out, as y'all can see. Now I'm gonna do my braid down pattern.
Now the joke's on me. Nobody cares. Okay. My young dogs wanna live in LA, where the devil comes to play. They was all blind to the streets, so I had to lead the way. A couple niggas sleeping on me, so I had to stay awake. Family put the beeper on me, so I had to stay away. A couple bitches doubted me, now I hit them with the weight. Told my brother I'll call him when the jets is on the way. Send Ferraris through the hood, we living in dangerous ways. Baby bottles in the crib, we pay for the youngest way. Baby, why you in the crib? Can you clean up anything? Lifestyle crazy, let's take it and run away, baby. You could be the time that I use when I'm away, baby. Push start, no keys in the rave, baby. Loyalty. Say it 3 times, cause I hope it's on the way. Save me on the way. How can you talk about me like I'm strange? Telling your friends like I'm done in this game. I like what you think of me. Don't feed me that sympathy. Ask me in my heart been. I'll tell you it's dead to me. I bought you wedding rings. Told my family you everything. Now the joke's on me. Okay. Models in the room, girl, you know I'm in the room. Bottles in the room, so you know we got the toast. We've been through so much, girl, I love you the most. You so out of control, like the demons that I know. Drink it till my head hurts and riding and it goes. Swerving off the road, ain't just how my life goes. My heart went cold, damn near froze. I talked to Naisha, she said that she loved me. I told her I can't feel my legs when she fucked me. She giving me head, I think she a dummy. I hope when I die you forgive how I live. I told you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with my braid pattern. I have a total of 6 braids. They're not the best, but they look alright. So yeah, y'all just did some big braids, but they're flat, so that's all that matters. You know, your braids are not gonna be shown. You're gonna have the stocking cap on. So y'all make sure y'all oil y'all hair up underneath y'all caps, because you need to take care of your hair. Like, that's the most important thing, is your hair.
I'm sorry, you told me it's easier to forget than forgive. I'll be chilling by the phone, waiting on you. Shorty, I'll die for you. Shorty, I'll ride for you. I know that I lied to you, but at least the timing's true. Baby, I'm in love with you. How can you talk about me like I'm strange? Telling your friends like I'm done in this game. I like what you think of me. Don't feed me that sympathy. Ask me in my heart been. I'll tell you it's dead to me. I bought you wedding rings, told my family you everything. Now the joke's on me. Okay, 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 okay.
So y'all, I'm using the glue and I'm just outlining the perimeter of my hair for extra hold and also my leave out as well. And then I'm taking this spritz, y'all, and also the Gots to Be glue gel to like make a shield, you know, to protect my hair from the glue, because I didn't have any purple shield. I didn't have any of that, so I had to do what I had to do. And then I'm just gonna blow dry my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's dry. I'm done blow drying my hair, so I just cut the first stocking cap only because it was too tight, y'all. It was giving me a headache. Like, this one I still got like on, but as you can see, the second cap I cut off. So now I'm gonna get ready and start gluing these tracks down. So y'all, I'm starting with the 18-inch first, of course, and I'm just gonna cut the tracks and glue them to my cap. So y'all, I'm gonna be looking this way only because my mirror is right here. So yeah, y'all, just bear with me. Here's my first track.
Tryna get to you, girl, like what it do, girl. You looking cool, girl. Come and be my new girl. Yes, I got a few girls, but I want you, girl. You could be my boo, girl. Come and be my boo, girl. Scoop you in a cool, girl. What you tryna do, girl?
So y'all, I am all done with the 18-inch pack, as y'all can see, and this is how much I have left. So now I'm moving on to the 16-inch.
You want the school, girl. You my little school, girl. Now when I'm with you, girl, think I'm feeling you, girl. Come and be my new girl. Say just be my new girl, yeah. I've been needing something new lately, and I'm thinking that it's you, baby. Go ahead and do what you do, baby. But don't play me for no fool, baby. I ain't nothing like these lanes, baby. I can put you on a game, baby. I put you in a new lane, baby. I'm about to drive you insane, yeah. She tryna see what's the facts, but
Y'all, I'm loving this color. Like, I'm loving the length too. Like, yes, y'all, I'm almost done. As y'all can see, I only have this much left, so hopefully it works.
can't tell her where I'm at. She love when I drip from the back, finessing I'm stroking, she calling me dad, yeah. I show that shit she ain't had, yeah. She with me popping them tags, yeah. Show to be all on my back, she calling my jack while I'm fucking the lab, yeah. I just wanna know how far that this could go now. If we go
I do.
So y'all, the hair is all installed.
It's important. Someday the kids are gonna need
Now
to
I'm
know
gonna
the truth
cut
about how it really was.
the
Pretty
cap.
much been with
Y'all
all
probably gonna see me
Davis.
in the next clip.
Good for you.
Look at these edges. Like, stop playing with your girl. Look at this leave out. Like, that leave out looks period. Go ahead, say what you want to say.
Yeah, follow me at 412 Meats.
Follow him, y'all. He a little froze, but y'all get the picture. Hey you guys, it's a new day. I just wanted to show y'all the results of my hair. Edges laid, leave out. Like, come on now, stop playing with your girl. I'm in love. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Excuse the TV in the background. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with more videos.
Oh, now nobody knows now. I just needed time to see where I wanna be. Girl, just come with me, keep me company. You're so far from me, yeah. Tryna get to you, girl, like what it do, girl. You looking cool, girl. Come and be my new girl. Yes,